5 Best Alarm Clock. Here is the product number 5. Digital LED Alarm Clock. Shape, square. Diameter, 158 mm. Display type, digital. Weight, 240 grams. Screen type, LED. Type, alarm clocks. Material, plastic. Style, fashion. Function, snooze function. Screen brightness, take the protective film on clock screen, it will be brighter. Here is the product number 4. Digital alarm clock LED mirror. Brand name, Obey. Shape, square. LED light color, green, red, white. Case color, black, white. Function, calendar, alarm, temperature, night light. Display type, digital. Material, ABS. Style, modern. Function, with backlight. Form, single face. Here is the product number 3. New qualified digital wooden LED alarm clock. Features, alarm function. Powered by USB power supply cable or 3 extra AAA batteries. It has LED display of time and temperature alternately. This designer LED digital alarm clock is made of imitation wood and its face is enclosed inside the wood. It also works in voice mode. Make some noise, clap your hands, rap on the table or pat the clock, nearby can wake it up. Here is the product number 2. LED mirror alarm clock digital snooze. Description, LED screen display, not only for showing time, but also for makeup application. Snooze function, snooze interval time can be set from 5-60 minutes as your need. Time, AL, PM, large number display with 12 24-hour format selection. Suitable, home bedroom living room bedside office table desk decoration. Here is the product number 1. LED wooden alarm clock watch. Features, voice control, but need decibels greater than 60. Clock function, hour, minute and temperature, which can be switched between 12-hour system and 24-hour system. Voice control function, under the power saving mode, it can rouse display when voice is in the close range or larger than 60 decibels. Alarm function, available to set 3 alarms.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.